Well, hello friends, welcome to my bunker. So, in this video, we will try to continue to our blog in the first video. So, um, if somebody wants to check the source code here, the source code, I have my live repository over here. So I got in. Alright. I actually declared a response structure over here, and we got two functions: response to str and free response. So we gotta do the shit in this video. So let's go to the implementation and let's declare that response to str, which takes a response pointer and turns response object to raw HTTP string. So firstly, we're going to open the specification of HTTP responses. It's source pulling. So we got version, status code, and status message. So firstly, we can say turn status code to string. So we could say char status code str equals malloc and status code length, and let's say status code length. So after it, we could also allocate that all things together, or maybe SM could use SM printf. So we gotta get all of that length as well. So first we got a version. So HTTP version is gonna be char HTTP 101 and HTTP version length equals str length, HTTP version as well equals status length, and so status message length equals the str length of response status message, and status code length equals, it's basically just free, equals HTTP version length plus status message length plus status code length plus 1 for no terminator. Is everything okay? Yeah. Okay, so we can declare it in sm printf, so we could use it sm printf. Let's see. So let's see how we could use it. Got a formatter and passing the arguments, I guess. Size of it as well. So we got a buffer as status code str, status code length is gonna be the 6. What is 6? Capacity is 6. I'm gonna actually get what's the point of 6. There's more than 6, so oh yeah, it's just okay. We got it. Now we could say let's go length of it, and we got a formatter, so s d s HTTP version, HTTP response status code response status message HTTP version. Alright, say something like this, and after it it's printf, or maybe we could also say something like char response str equals char malloc and response str length int response str length equals response str length plus minus it's just status code length, which is what you know, and str copy or str cat. What's the difference between a str cat and I don't really know, so never mind. So we could say response str and status. So it's called str status. Sorry, not status. Oh my god, I can't believe we got status code str. It's status line. Look at that status line. Gotta rename everything. Line and status line. Alright. Status line str. Return response str as well. So let's go to our main function and let's declare a response. We already declare a response, so we gotta say new, and it's gonna be response pointer malloc size of response. Alright. We actually gotta say free, but you know what? I'm not gonna do it. I can do after it. I promise I will do. Response new. Why can't we? Okay. Response new. Status code equals 200. Response new. Status message is okay. And let's see, it's gonna be what is gonna be return us. So char response is tr equals response to str and pass our response new and free response str as well. Printf response str equals response str. Why always run sorry as well. Yeah. What's happening? It shows on a chart. Oh my god. We actually didn't put int mark over here. Make, and there you go, make one. It's gonna be work. And it's actually working, and status line str as well. And it's actually working quite well, I guess. The status line str, nope, this is our response str. Okay, this actually works well, but it actually didn't print for some reason. It doesn't actually print the code. Probably, as I might say, wait, where's our code? Let's put another mark. We probably there's an easy over here because we allocated it. So just the pointer of is free. Str lang is free. So what's the in it? Let's try to print. Right. No. Printf status message s and response status message. So let's see what is gonna be turn us. Mic one. Right. Status message is actually okay, but it actually does not print for some reason. I don't know what's the issue net. So status message link. Alright, so I'm just gonna ask the ChatGPT. As you might see, it does not include status message yet. Responses to what? Maybe there's an issue with size. So. Yeah, we gotta. Oh, we forgot the spaces between them. Okay. Forgot the spaces. Yeah, that's the internet. So we got free also space. One for team leader. 3, 4 spaces. Yeah, we forgot spaces. So let's run it again. And got an assertion split str. This is actually happening. I don't know what's the reason. I actually fully copied that code from Stack Overflow, but it's actually working after we are running. Nope. Let's run again. Gotta wait a bit. Alright, this actually works good as well. For some reason there is something happening, but probably I'm gonna change that later. So we got how many minutes happening? Alright, 11. So we finally got the status message. The status, not the status message, the status line. Right, we got the status line, and after it, let's go back to our specification of response. So we got headers. And http.h. We got headers as chars because I don't want to implement something like, you know, maybe let me show you structs and header, and we got some fields and value. They're both char. You know, I don't want to implement a array list C because I really hate C. I'm probably gonna write C3 lang in the next video about some big multiplayer plugin than I actually planning. But it actually works well. I'm gonna show you that the got an array list arrays out of the box. Allocate and allocate. As you might see, we got a new array that I showed. It's actually in the heap and zero initialize it as well. So we got a lot of cool stuff over here. So I'm just gonna try to see freeze. Actually, kind of sick, but I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. Alright, so we got headers. So let's say add headers to response str. We already added the status line as well. So I'm just gonna say that. I'm just planning. Alright, maybe we could use smprintf as well instead of str copy. Could say strcat as well, but you know what? I'm not gonna do it. So we got do we space them with a new line? Nope, we don't have any new line. Oh, we got a new line. Okay, we got a new line character as well. Right. Put a new line. I'm just gonna write they will probably figure out if somebody read the code. So I'm just gonna say, and that's response str length. Alright, response str length. Response headers. Header and headers length equals str length. Response headers. Headers length. Alright. After it, we gotta say strcopy. Instead of strcopy, we could say smprintf. I'm just gonna use it again. We got response str. The size of it is response strlength. Response strlength. Format is s. Status line str and headers. Response headers. Right. Oh, we also gotta say, no, we don't have to say anything on it. It's actually calculated. We don't have any white space. I'm gonna delete that strcopy as well. Just put in the status message. Oh, we can actually delete it. So what we did, it's probably gonna be at the response header. Sorry. I'm just gonna say we gotta allocate from the heap. You know what? Char headers equals copy some content length, content type maybe, let's say, as well. And are we passing any new line characters? Do we have to pass? We are passing new line characters. Wait a minute. Render home. We got a render home over here. You know what? I don't have any idea. So HTTP response. Got any new line characters? Okay, it's actually RN probably. RN. Right. This is the headers. We gotta allocate from heap, but alright, I'll just from stack. And response new headers equals headers. Make one. Let's see, it's gonna be work. Alright, we got str. Yeah, we actually did. Kind of type. Alright. How many minutes has passed? It's been 18. Alright, let's finish. So after it, we gotta say add buddy. We got only have buddy. Headers length. Alright, so buddy and buddy len equals strlen response buddy response strlen plus equal buddy len. And actually we could say a pass a new string. And response buddy. It's gonna be work probably. Char buddy. Char my height my life. Response new buddy custom. Oh, we already have a body. It's render hell. Alright, and buddy can use body then. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. It's probably double free error is gonna be good. Body new, quick one. And it actually works quite well. So we got our responses here. So let's write it. Write it. where is one? There he goes, one over here. Just here, put this and make run. We got it's actually wait run. Alright, response S tier and S tier land response S tier. Make run. It's gonna be say the same thing, I guess. From response objects. Let's say something like this. Make run. Okay, we didn't actually calculate the content length. As you might see, there's a content length over here. I forgot it. So let's go to headers. Probably. I gotta say that. How could I do? How could I do? Hold on, think. Alright. So we gotta add something on here. Adds content length to headers. So we are not passing the rn over here. Okay. That's actually gonna be say it's gonna be heap allocated. First malloc char headers here equals this. Right, I'm using them. And tier land tier +1 tier copy headers. Good. It's gonna work, I guess. It's working. Let's make run again. I want to make sure okay it's actually working quite well. And we got nothing. So it actually works. And how could I add it? So response headers that we probably gonna realloc new response char new response equals it realloc it vertex equals realloc, and it's actually saying so ptr will allocate and returns a new pointer. It's gonna be returning a new pointer. Yeah, it's kind of easy as. Alright. So response headers size of it is gonna be in new headers blank. It's gonna be new headers equals headers length plus char format content length header line str equals something like this. Content length here. I don't know. How could I measure the size of it? I could be measure the size. Because it's an integer, it could be anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask the chat GPT. No, I will try to figure out it. Okay, I did something like this. Firstly, where I got a format string, in the same thing. I actually firstly wanted to make a whole string content of content length. I just put 20 for total line of int. We can do much more. It's max value of integers, and I checked the internet. They just saying put 20 instead of just measuring. I don't know how could I do it also, and I just gave 20 as the content length harass our length. And after it, we are allocating and body length, and we're just saying, so we have a string over here, so we are just gonna combine add content length header str to headers. So I'll also gonna pass our n for body. Alright, so we reallocating it. I hope this is gonna be work soon. I hope this is not going to be free error. I will actually gotta check the free implementation because we are not actually allocating, so it's probably causing a lot of memory leak in the site response. But who cares right now? We're just coding, and after that, gotta figure out. So what could I do is strcat maybe strcat append. It's gonna be append as headers response new headers. And maybe we could do something like this. What we could do is free. We're not gonna use free, but right. New headers. We're adding new headers, and source is going to be content line str, and response body headers equals new headers. So maybe we could also use free headers. Response headers. So this maybe would work. I don't have any idea it's gonna be work, but passing one argument to realloc is actually makes pointer from integer to realloc cast. Oh, we did what we did. Nope. Response headers that we are gonna push. Alright. And body length equals str length. What's the problem word here? We already said, I guess. Redefinition, yep. Make one. It's probably gonna cause a segmentation fault. Yep, double free. Yep. There is an issue in here. Probably don't gonna do it. Make one. Yep, and we got nothing. At least we add in the content type and content length. Maybe we could do I don't know why it's not giving. We could do something like this. Make one. Alright, it's not pushing anything. We got a respond str. It actually looks okay. Oh, we didn't actually put, okay, that's the problem. Alright, this is probably going to work soon. I also want to set a new line character. Make one. It has to be work, but for some reason it's not working. My response, it's not working, so let's go to ChatGPT and say I can't see anything on the screen. Wow. Is it malformed? Oh, it gotta pass one more, I guess. One more rn. Alright. Oh, wait. Alright, so, okay, maybe just rn again. It's gonna be work as well. Okay, it actually works quite well. I hate my life in the response object. Alright, with it, we finally can do the response str. So in the next chapter, we're probably gonna implement a router. I'm actually doing some routing over here. because I already implemented the request. So I'm saying strcmp is the path as the home, and if it's not home. So for example, let's pass something like this, and it's gonna say not home. But if we say the main road, it's gonna be saying the home. And there is a issue over here. I gotta fix it. For some reason, I just actually took this shitty code from the Stack Overflow from 12 years ago, but it's probably not working. Probably, alright, I'm gonna fix it, and after in the next video we will train the routing and make some real stuff. Is that actually routing? Alright, in the next video we will probably get some data from the db.c. We gotta implement some create route or something like this probably. Anyway, see you soon in the next video, guys.